What's the fastest you have ever seen someone kicked out of the military? Former drill sergeant here. The fastest I ever saw someone kicked out was a trainee who showed up for basic training as a National Guardsman. She was in a STO-1 program, Split Training Option Phase 1. That meant she had finished her junior year of high school and was attending basic over the summer, planning to return, graduate, and then move on to AIT. Pretty common for summer psych. There was a problem though. She hadn't actually passed her junior year. She brought it up herself, probably hoping it would get her sent home, and we were obligated to report it to the National Guard liaison. 2 days later, she was on a bus heading home. Because she didn't meet the educational requirements, her enlistment was invalidated. She received a REFRAT, release from active duty, which meant she wasn't discharged in the traditional sense, but was removed from training and sent back to her unit. Once there, her unit processed her out fully. Until you formally complete basic training, your enlistment isn't completely locked in. In her case, by invalidating her contract early, she never transitioned past that initial entry status. By the time the bus rolled out of the reception battalion, she was effectively a civilian again. It's a complicated system when you're dealing with split options and high school completion requirements, but for her, it was fast. Reported in on a Sunday, pulled out by Tuesday afternoon. 2 days flat from reporting to being gone. Fastest exit I ever